Tower, gas line 777, visual 26.
By 777, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear land, wind 260 at 14, gust 24.
Clear land, 26 left, gas line 777.
Clear track 290, left at your discretion, taxi back 26 right via echo this frequency.
Left our discretion, we'd actually like to have you go right for him if that's possible.
Clear track 290, roger. You can start your taxi to white ramp via taxiway echo Charlie, hold short taxi valve.
Echo Charlie, hold short taxiway alpha, check that.
Gateway 777, do you experience any level of wind shear on final?
I think maybe on sharp final, it seemed like we might have lost some. We kind of sunk in there a little bit at the end.
Gateway 777, roger.
And Spirit Jet 334, we'll be going up.
Spirit 334, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, full length, start for takeoff.
26 left, full length, clear for takeoff, Spirit Jet 334.
Spirit Tower, Vision 995, Victor Juliet on the visual for 26 left.
Vision 995, Victor Juliet, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 260 at 15, gust 26.
26 left, clear to land. Thanks for the wind. Victor Juliet.
Vision 5 Victor Juliet, where do you park?
Millionaire.
5 Victor Juliet, right when able, taxi Millionaire via Alpha this frequency.
Right one able, Alpha and a Millionaire with you. 5 Victor Juliet.
King Air 4 Juliet Papa, turn right heading 310, runway 26 left altitude, clear for takeoff. Tampico, 7 Lima Delta, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 280 at 16, gust 24.
Clear to land, 26 left, 7 Lima Delta.
Golf Victor with you on a left downwind for runway 36 left.
Gulfstream 36 Golf Victor, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 270 at 13, gust 25.
Hey, clear to land 26 left, 36 Golf Victor,
Six Golf Victor, right. Gulfstream 6 Golf Victor, right, your discretion, and you text back runway 26 left via Alpha, that's frequency.
We'll clear at Alpha 8, Alpha to 26 left, stay with you.
Spirit Tower, Commerce Bank 1, visual, 26 left.
Commerce Bank 1, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 left, Commerce Bank 1.
Commerce Bank 1, right at Alpha 8, straight across the ramp, this frequency.
Alpha 8 with you, Commerce 1.
And split 531, left turn out on course approved, only 26 left, altitude, clear for takeoff. And Gulfstream 36 Golf Victor, Spirit Tower, just hold position momentarily. I just have some inbound traffic. I just want to make sure I can get you a full pattern, so I'm just going to hold you on the ground for a moment.
Holding short.
And Gulfstream 6 Golf Victor fly, runway heading for nickel. Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 36 Golf Victor.
And Contract 1 fly, runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Spirit Tower, Mooney 4027, November 10 East, full stop.
Mooney 4027, November, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear land.
Clear land on the left to 7 November.
And wind is 280 at 12, gust 22. And Mooney 27 over, right at Alpha 5. Where do you park?
Millionaire, right at Alpha.
Mooney 27 November, you can taxi Millionaire via Alpha this frequency.
Thanks.
Spirit Tower load, touch at 9:15 is visual 26 left.
Visit 915, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land. Mooney traffic you're following is joining about a 3-mile final now. They're only doing about 80 knots across ground, so you can slow it up for me.
26 left, clear to land, and we'll do our best. Touch at 9:15.
Good, runway 26 left, clear to land. Wind 280 at 13, gust 22.
Hey, clear to land, Gulfstream 36 Golf Victor.